8 electrician exam questions. A real journeyman should ace everyone. Ready? Let us go. Question 1. What color identifies the grounded neutral conductor? White or gray? Question 2. What color identifies the equipment grounding conductor? Green, or green with a yellow stripe. Question 3. What is the maximum overcurrent protection for number 12 copper wire? 20 amps. Question 4. What voltage drop does the code recommend you stay under on a branch circuit? 3%. Question 5. How many small appliance branch circuits does a kitchen require at minimum? At least 2. Question 6. What is the maximum overcurrent protection for number 14 copper wire? 15 amps. Question 7. Along a dwelling wall, what is the maximum spacing between receptacle outlets? 12 feet. So no point is more than 6 feet from one. Question 8. A receptacle must be GFC, I protected if it is within how many feet of a sink? 6 feet. How many did you get right? Drill hundreds more, free on ElectriPrep.